Okay, before we understand this condition, we have to review some terms. So what is divisor? Let's say given the string like this, and then their divisor is AB. Why? Because AB was the AB repeated for once, right? And this AB was repeated for 2 times. And then this AB is AB repeated for 3 times. So for all the input, their common divisor or their divisor are AB. So what is the common divisor here? For example, given the string like this, if you repeat AB for 3 times, you get this. If you repeat for AB for 6 times, you get this. If you repeat AB for 9 times, you get this. So AB is the divisor. Okay, at the same time, if you find another one, so this one is also the divisor. Why? Because if you repeat this at one time, and then you get this. If you repeat this for 2 times, and you get this. If you repeat this for 3 times, you get this. For AB or AB, they are all common divisor for all the streams here. So here we have 3 different streams, right? They all can be divided by the 2 divisors here. So the 2 is the common divisors for all of the 3 streams here. So what is the greatest common divisor here? For example, here the AB or AB, they all the common divisor for all the 3 input streams. But this one is the greatest common divisor because this is the longest one. So for now, the GCD here is the greatest common divisor. Now is the AB. Okay. Now let's do some changes. If we change the second stream like this, does this GCD still the GCD for all the stream here? No, because you cannot repeat this for any times and then result get this one. All right. So the answer is now the GCD is become to AB. Well, some people will ask me, is the AB still the GCD for all the input? No, you cannot repeat this for any times and then get this. So at this moment, the AB is the greatest common divisor for all the stream here. If we add the AB back, and then the greatest common divisor will become this again. Let's talk about more example here. So for the 2 streams here, you need to find the greatest common divisor for them. So ABC is the result, because if you repeat ABC for once, you get this. If you repeat ABC for 2 times, you get this. Okay, so for this example, the AB is the result, because if you repeat AB for 2 times, you get this. If you repeat AB for 3 times, you get this. Okay, some people say, is AB is the answer? No. AB repeated once and you get this, and the AB you repeat for 2 times, then you cannot get this. If you repeat for 2 times, it's something like this, so it's different. All right. Okay, so for here, if you repeat lead for 1 time, you get this, but you can never repeat lead for any time and get code. So for this input, the greatest common divisor is none. Nothing can be great common divisor. Okay, and then the last example, ABC is not the greatest common divisor for this input, because you cannot repeat ABC for any time and get this. So for this question, they don't even have a common divisor. Example, so the result for the GTC result is AB, right? So in this way, if you add the string 1 to string 2, they should equals to the string 2 add string 1. Why? Because string 1 and string 2, they are all the result from repeating AB for several times, right? No matter how you add string 1 to string 2 or string 2 add string 1, the result is they're still the multiplication of GCD, right? So when we add them together, they are still the result of multiply AB, I mean the GCD for multiple times. So this should be equal. If you somehow you change the stream, change the input, and then when you add the stream 2 to stream 1, it's not equal to add stream 1 to stream 2. So for example, here if you add to if you add in this way, the result should be like this, and if you add in this way, the result should be this. So the situation is that they're not equal, and we couldn't even find any common divisor for these two streams. So in this case, we can check if they really have a result, a valid result for this input. If they are not equal, then we're going to return empty. And for the second case, that if the stream 1 and the stream 2 that they are the same, I mean, if we find stream 1 equals to stream 2, so it means that the greatest common divisor, the GCD, should be themselves. So this is the longest common divisor for both of them. Let's say even no matter how long they can be, and their GCD should be themselves if they actually equals to themselves. Let's talk about another cases. So we have just talked about case 1 and case 2, and now we're going to try to really solve this problem. Let's say we have the input stream 1 and stream 2, and then this is the 4 times of ABC, and this is the 1 time of ABC. So our solution is that from the original input, we're going to we find the longer string, which is this one, and then we're going to search this in the longer string, because they have the common, they have the GCD, right? So this one is definitely exists in this one. So we find this one in the longer one, and then we find this one, and then we remove the previous one, and then we found that this is still longer than this one. So this one must exist in this longer string. Then we continue cut the previous one. We remove the previous part of this one, and then still longer than this one, and then we remove. At the end, we found that this string is equal to the stream 2, and then we found the result. Okay, let's make another example. So what if the this is the ABC and ABC, right? We can do the same thing. So we search this in the longer string, and then when we found it, we found this search this part. So we're going to remove the previous part, and then we got this, and then we found they are the same. So we can return this result. So what if we add more characters here, like ABC more here? How to find answer? So as we did before, we find the longer string here, and then we search stream 2 in the longer string, and then we can search this part and then remove the first part, and then continue. This is still longer than this one, and then we search the stream 2 in here, and then we found this one. Okay, here is the most important thing. Here the ABC is shorter than this one, then the stream 2 become the longer one. So we continue to do the operation on the longer string. So we put a stream 2 here, and then we search the ABC in this stream here. So and then we move the previous part. So ABC is the ABC we found here. So we're going to cut the previous, and then we found this ABC is equal to this ABC, and then this is the result of this question. Okay, so this part is most difficult part and most important part for us to find the result. So each time we're going to find the longer stream here, and then search the shorter stream in the longer stream, and then do the subtraction, and then and then later if we find their the final 2 streams, they're equal, and then we find the result. Okay, here's another example. Now here's the stream 1, and then here's stream 2. There's no space between the letters. I use the space just for better readable and better for understanding. Okay, so now the longer one is this one. So I'm going to remove the stream 2 in stream 1. So here I'm going to remove this one because this one is founded in stream 2, right? And then I'm going to stream this one. Now this one is still longer than the stream 2, and then I'm going to subtract this one as well, and this one is still longer than this one. Okay, now I'm going to find this on the rest of the string, and we found this one as well. So we are going to remove all the stuff, and finally we only have this one. So after subtract all the string 2 in string 1, we subtract all the elements in string 1, and then we have AB left. So this question is becoming this question. So the string 2 here is become the string 1 because string 1 is always the longer string. Now we're going to do the operations here. So this is string 1. So we're going to search the string 2 AB in the string 1, and then we found AB, and then we are going to remove AB. Okay, we're going to remove the left part of the AB, and now we found this AB is equal to this AB, and then we found the answer. Let's do the coding. So firstly, we're going to use the recursion, and as we mentioned before, we subtract the one string from another string, and then we'll go to further step. So if not equal, and then we'll go to return what? Return this. If it is equal, and also the string 1 equals to string 2. So in this situation, we're going to return that we find this greatest common division of the strings. So we're going to return string 1. Otherwise, else if so if we couldn't meet this requirement, so it means that we didn't find the result. So we have, so if the string 1 is larger than the string 2, so we're going to further go deeper, and we're going to string 1 substring. Okay, this part is the most important one, because here we will remove the string 2 from the string 1. String 2 learns. Okay, let's see, is this the right one? The learns. Okay, yeah, should be like this, and string 2. Otherwise it means that the string 2 is longer. So we will just simply change a position of the 2 string. So we will put string 2 here, put string 2 here, and put string 1 here. So we always use the smaller string to be abstract from the longer string, and go to the next step. So we'll see all right, we have to return here. Okay, I passed the code. So let me explain again. So basically, we're going to start from here. So if the string add them together in different position, if add in this way is not equal to add in this way, and it means that there's no result, no answer for this question. Yeah. Otherwise, if we pass this test and then see if they are the same, if the same, then so it means that we find the answer. What's the meaning of that? For example, so if you're going to check if ABC and ABC, their greatest common divisor. If you want to find the GCD of the two arrays, so and they're the same, so any one of them is the answer. All right, and then we are going to compare the string 1 slurs and the string 2 slurs. If the string 1 slurs is even, let's still put this as an example. If this one is is longer than this one. So we're going to search this one, search ABAB in the stream 1, and then we find it. And then what we're going to do is going to remove this part and go to the next step. Yeah, so this is why we do this action. So originally this is the input, and after that this is the input from here. Okay, so we always, as I mentioned, we always use the longer substring to do the subtraction. Okay.